to make money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a method where you can make money by promoting your affiliate links on Pinterest platform. So the method is this. You choose a niche that you will focus on Pinterest.com. Then you go to your Amazon account, you go to your Amazon.com, and you take your affiliate links from here. So first, if you want this bar to show to you, you need to create an account on Amazon Associates. So after creating your account on Amazon Associates, you will see this bar on Amazon.com where you can take your affiliate link for every page of the platform, and then you promote it on Pinterest posts. So focus with me, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, as I said, you need to choose a niche. So my niche for today is technology and software development. So after typing our niche, we will look for the viral posts on the Pinterest platform. So we'll choose a post that we're going to re-upload on our account and that we're going to add our link to. So let's look for a post that we can re-upload on the platform. So here we have a lot of posts, as you can see. Let's choose. You can always, guys, be creative and create your own posts. So here I'm just showing you an example of how you can do that. So we look for a post that we can re-upload on our account. You can go with this one or this one also. So let's go with this one. Let's click on it and let's download. So we can't download this video. This one is called Amazon Kitchen Files. So let's go with this one.
Random Amazon finds, it just slap. This gadget lets you easily crush garlic with one hand and
let's see if we can download this one. Let's click on here. Let's copy the link and let's go to a platform called Snaptik. Snaptik.app where we can download. So you can just download TikTok videos, you can't download other videos. So let's go back and choose a picture that we can work on. So this is not a good one. So let's just choose this one. So this is just an example, guys. So after choosing the post that we're going to re-upload, we click on download image and we downloaded our image. After that, you click on create. You click on create idea pane. Don't close this one, we're going to get back to it. We go to the one that we opened and we hit create new, and we take our page, we drop it here. Then we take the title from the previous posts, copy, we type it here. Then we take the description, copy, and we leave it here also. Then we add a link. So in this link we're going to amazon.com and we're going to type our niche, or let's just type the title of the post we found, which is AirPods. So you can always search by niche like this, and you'll find a lot of products that you can promote. You can select by featured or by the price, low to high price, or best sellers. Right here you can choose best sellers, and you can choose from these best sellers. And for us, let's go with AirPods, and let's say this is the same one as the post we found. So those are the exact ones. So those are the exact ones. Just check again. So it's the same, guys. It's the same. So let's go with this product. So let's go to text, and here we can take our link, copy the link, and paste it on our post. And then the next step is choosing tags. So guys, make sure to choose as much tags as you can, because tags help the post to go viral and helps it to show to a lot of people, which will make us money, of course. So let's choose a lot of tags that are related to our topic: headset, AirPods, mobile phone, charms and straps, technology. Let's see if we can find new technology. Device. Computer accessories. Phone accessories. So I think you get the idea, guys. Just make sure to choose as much tags as you can to help your post go viral. So after going through all these steps, you go back and you check your image, title, description, link, and tags. Then you click on publish, and you wait for your post to be published. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.